We're on. Be Free 911. Spinning Boy Jaggy and 99 running from his dog.
Ow! She's biting me.
No, she isn't.
She bit me once.
She's not even close to you.
She stopped.
Dude, cover your face.
My face is covered, you little noob. I like pancakes.
Oh, dog loving. Your face.
Oh, I thought you were saying go over there.
No, your face. Your face. And your face.
Why are you doing it? You guys are the best ones at getting me pissed off.
Dude, put on your freaking hood. Or just put on, like, glasses.
There. See the...
What are we gonna do? Stunts or something?
Oh, Jesus. She does
No, let's make another. Oh, why'd you stop her?
Karen stopped her that one time. How come she gets mad at you?
She hates me.
Why?
Who got through?
Yeah, that one she can get through. I think she needs to rest. Do you think, Jordan? We can just make different videos.
Yeah, we'll make different videos. You know what? Let's post some other videos. Peace out.